ClearPeak Partners LLC COVID Relief Fund has caught the attention of many individuals seeking financial assistance, but questions remain about its legitimacy. After thoroughly reviewing their website, application process, and user feedback, several concerns arise. While the company presents itself as a legitimate funding source, there is a lack of transparency regarding its operations, eligibility criteria, and fund distribution process. Some applicants report receiving responses and potential approvals, while others claim they never hear back after submitting their information. Additionally, there are mixed reviews, with some people questioning the credibility of the organization due to the absence of verifiable success stories or official endorsements. On the other hand, no solid proof of fraudulent activity has surfaced, making it difficult to label it as an outright scam. The lack of clear communication, inconsistent applicant experiences, and limited publicly available information raise red flags that potential applicants should consider before proceeding. While it is not definitively a scam, it does not inspire full confidence either, so caution is advised before sharing any personal or financial details. If you have applied or had any experience with ClearPeak Partners LLC, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision.